At it.
All right, hey y'all. We're here in Miss Flores's garage studio, and we're heating up some metal. And I have already used the flux, which is over here. Y'all, I made that out of the borax you brought me. And what it does is it cleans the metal. So if you put it on a section of metal over here, and you hear that little sizzle, okay, you put it on there. And as you heat it up, the water evaporates and it leaves the borax, which is nice and clean. And it holds everything in place and it just goes away when it's all done. So I've already done that to these two. They're cooling down. So I'm going to heat up this little tiny guy here. You have to heat it up evenly all the way around. And you just have to be really super patient. And you wait until your metal heats up enough to melt the solder. And the solder is like the glue that sticks the two sides of the metal together. And you can't rush it because the solder usually melts at a lower temperature than your silver. So you have to heat the silver and not the solder in order for it to come on in to that little seam. It's about to go, and there it goes. And now you let it cool down for a minute. And then over here, we're going to anneal these two pieces of copper. So we're going to maybe want a little bit higher flame. That's a little too high. Makes it dirty. There we go. And so you heat the copper until it turns a real pretty cherry red. And then it makes it flimsy, and you can move it around like taffy. Or your modeling clay that y'all like to use. And now we're going to let that cool down. And then I'm going to form it into a bezel to wrap around a stone. Thanks for watching Miss Flores' art channel.